today, we're diving into one of the hottest leaks in the smartphone world, the POCO F7 Pro. Yes, the next-gen POCO flagship is here, and it's packed with features that could seriously shake up the market. From the latest Snapdragon processor to incredible display specs, let's take a deep dive into the POCO F7 Pro leaks, specs, and a price reveal that might just shock you. Alright, first things first, the POCO F7 series has surfaced with two model numbers, 2412 DPC0A and 2412 DPC0AI. Now, it's interesting because the POCO F7 is actually a rebranded version of the Redmi Turbo 4, while the POCO F7 Pro is a rebadged Redmi K80. And for all the POCO fans out there, that means flagship-level performance at a more affordable price. You're going to love this. Let's talk about one of the showstoppers, the 6.67-inch OLED display. This screen isn't just large, it's also packed with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 1.5K resolution. So, whether you're gaming, watching movies, or scrolling through social media, this display promises vibrant colors and silky smooth visuals that'll keep you hooked. Under the hood, we've got some serious power. The POCO F7 Pro is running on the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and a whopping 1 TB of storage. Imagine the possibilities here. Multitasking, high-end gaming, and heavy-duty apps will be a breeze on this device. Plus, it's running on Android 15-based HyperOS 2.0, bringing you the latest in POCO's software experience. Of course, we can't forget about the cameras. The POCO F7 Pro has a quad camera setup featuring a 50MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, and a 16MP front camera. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, close-up details, or selfies, this setup covers all your photography needs with ease. And it doesn't stop there. The POCO F7 Pro is equipped with Wi-Fi 6, BLUETOOTH 5.4, and it houses a solid 5000 mAh battery. And get this, it supports 120W fast charging. That's right. You'll be able to charge up and get back to using your phone in no time. This feature alone is worth getting excited about for those of us who are always on the go. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, the price. According to leaks, the POCO F7 Pro series is aiming for an incredible price point, making it one of the best value options in the flagship segment. It's set to officially debut in May 2024, so mark your calendars because this one is going to be huge. So, there you have it. The POCO F7 Pro looks like it's ready to redefine what a flagship killer can be. With top-tier specs, stunning design, and an aggressive price, this might be one of the year's most exciting releases. Let me know in the comments what you think. Will you be picking up the POCO F7 Pro when it launches? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.